Hey guys, what's going on? It's the original White Kenyon, and I've got an awesome video for you guys today. I am building my own PC, and I've been saving up for it, and I've got all the parts here right in front of me. I'll just show you right quick. So I'll introduce every one of them very quickly. I don't have all the specs like memorized on them, but right here, the main component of it is the Asus Maximus Hero 7 motherboard, and let's just take a quick look at that. Oh dude, just check that out. That is sexy as hell. I can't wait to get it in my case over there. And yeah, so that's a very awesome motherboard. I'll give you all the the stats at the end of it, all the specs and everything at the very end. But moving on, next thing we got is basically the meat of the system. This is the Intel Core i7-4790K. It is clocked at 4.0 gigahertz. It's got quad core. Very nice stuff. Put that over here. Here's my CPU cooler. It is a water cooler. Hold on a sec, guys. Let me get that there. Alright, it is the H80i GT. Very nice stuff. It's going to work very well for that great CPU over there. Let me put that to the side. Moving on to the best thing about this system is the MSI GTX 970. Whew! It's very beautiful. I can't wait to take it out of the box and actually show you guys. And let me see, let's spin the back. Oh shit, yeah, it's got a lot of dust all over it, but apparently it's got twin Corsair 5 blades. I probably said that wrong, but oh yeah, I just can't wait to show it to you guys, but I'll explain all the specs at the end and everything. Shit. I'll put it on the ground over here. Alright, so the next thing we're moving on to is the RAM. I've got a Corsair Vengeance, and this is 4x8, 32 gigabytes, running at 1866 megahertz. Very nice stuff. I decided to go overkill for it, you know, I mean, more the merrier. Alright. There. Next thing we got, my SSD. I'm going to be putting my operating system on, and I'm going to be using Windows 8.1 for it. So it runs at SATA III, 6 gigabyte speed, all that stuff, all good, very nice. And here's my power supply. It is a 750 watt EVGA. It's fully modular, so I can replace the cables or use whatever cables I want. Don't have to worry about all that BS, and it's 80 plus gold, so it's very nice, very nice. And moving on to the last two components here, this is my hard drive. It is a 3 terabyte Seagate hard drive, runs at 7200 RPM, very nice. And finally, it just got a standard CD burner, disc burner, you know, nothing special, but yeah, so I'll be building it. I can't necessarily show you how I'm building it and all the steps and everything because I don't have a tripod or anything for this. I'm using my phone, so it's not that good quality, but anyway, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're back, and I've got my motherboard installed here, and also I've got my processor, my Intel i7-4790K. And I've also got my 4 sticks of Corsair Vengeance RAM in there. So I don't know what I'm going to be putting in next. I'm probably going to be routing these wires from the case here. And also I forgot to mention that my case is the Antec 900. You'll see a better view of it at the end of the video. But we've got a USB 3.0 here. And we got all the lights and stuff, and the fans also, if you didn't know, they are controllable. So there's these controllers around the case where you can set it from low, medium, and high, and I'm pretty sure with the motherboard support you can adjust those on the computer as well. But anyway, I'll see you back later when we got some more stuff installed. Alright guys, we're back again, and so what has changed from last time is we got the disk drive up in here. We got that installed. We've got our 3.5 inch HDD and then our 2.5 SSD hooked up in here. And then we're starting to get the power supply ready, and next thing we're going to put in is the graphics card. I'll give you guys a look at it before I put it in there. Alright guys, here you go. This is the GTX 970 made by MSI. Looking gorgeous. I can't wait to take it out of the bag. Get back to you guys in a second. I'll take it out of the bag and show you. And there we go, guys. That is one piece of amazing hardware. Love the aesthetics on it. It looks gorgeous. The back, I'll show you the back. There you go. And what I do know off the top of my head about this card is that it is 4 gigabytes of GDDR5. That's how much it holds, and it's got, I believe, HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI-I and DVI-D on the back. So yeah, but I'll get back to you guys when I finally got it up in here, and continue with the video. Alright guys, so I just decided to put everything else in there, and this is the finished product. I haven't turned it on yet to see if it all is running good, and trust me, I know this cord management is piss poor, but hey, it's my PC, no one else is going to see it but me, and it's pretty sexy, I have to be honest. And this part right here, the Corsair H80i GT, oh, this was a pain in the butt to get in, but I've got it in there. And yeah, so basically now we just need to turn it on, and I'll show you guys with all the LEDs and crap on and see it light up. Hey guys, how's it going? We're back, and I've got the completed build right in front of me here. I've got it under my table, and at this part in the recording, it's been about 2 days since I've finished it, and I've been using it, and it is wonderful. So let me just give you a quick look at it here. The lights on and everything. Love those lights. Alright, and top there. And this is the Antec 900. Can't really see too well in there, but yeah, there's my graphics card lighting up right there. Corsair cooler right there. Oh yeah, beautiful. But yeah guys, that is my completed build. I will leave all of the specifications and stuff in the description down below. But yeah, I built this, and I'm going to try and start making more videos and better videos from now on. Series I've been wanting to do right now is a BeamNG. If you guys don't know, that's like a physics sandbox based game with cars and everything, and it should be fun. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.